The tastiest, high-protein, honey garlic chicken noodles, less than 500 calories, perfect for meal prep and so easy to make. Grab your chicken thighs and add fresh garlic, black pepper, paprika, honey, sriracha, and soy sauce. Get your hands dirty and massage your chicken, then cook on medium heat for 5 minutes on each side till golden brown. Then in a bowl, add light soy sauce, honey, sriracha, sesame oil, corn flour, and water. Mix till smooth, then add the sauce to your cooked noodles, mix till combined, then add the chicken, garnish with sesame seeds and green onion, then distribute into 4 equal servings and enjoy.
High protein meal prep, creamy garlic parmesan pasta. Bicep curl your chicken, add oregano, garlic, cumin, paprika and olive oil. Mix together in oven or air fry until juicy and tender. And on low heat, add light butter, garlic, onions, milk, low fat cream cheese, parmesan, black pepper, parsley and your cooked pasta. Stir together until rich and creamy. And finish with leftover sauce from the pan. This is delicious, filling and easy to make, so enjoy and follow for more.
The tastiest high-protein cheesy beef breakfast burritos that are easy to make and the perfect meal prep for the week ahead. Start by grabbing your diced potatoes, add a bit of oil, then add all of the seasonings which will be listed on screen, mix it all together, then bake it in the oven or the air fryer. While that's baking, start cooking up your extra lean beef mince, add some Worcestershire sauce, add the same seasonings as before, mix it together, add some diced onions, give it one more mix and let it cook through. And to make the fluffiest eggs, you want to cook them on low to medium heat, mixing gently every 1 to 2 minutes, and I promise you this is the best way to cook eggs. Grab a low-calorie tortilla, add some low-fat cheese with the beef mince, potatoes, scrambled eggs, chives, top it off with some sriracha mayo, roll them up, toast them, wrap them up, add them to the fridge or freezer and reheat when they're ready to eat.
The tastiest, high-protein, creamy mozzarella chicken pasta, only 400 calories and so easy to meal prep. Slice your chicken into cubes, then season with garlic, paprika, parsley, chili flakes, and salt. Mix till you lose patience. Then get a pan on medium heat and cook the chicken for 8 minutes till golden brown. Set aside, then add chopped garlic and onion. Cook for a minute before adding low-fat milk, light cream cheese, pasta water, and shredded mozzarella. Stir till thick, then add your cooked pasta with the chicken. Give it a final mix, then garnish with chili flakes and parsley, then distribute into 4 equal servings and enjoy. The most delicious, high-protein, sticky honey lemon chicken, only 400 calories and so easy to meal prep. Slice your chicken into cubes, add soy sauce, paprika, garlic powder, and lemon juice. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, cook the chicken on medium heat till golden brown. Turn off the heat, add honey, then mix till nice and sticky. Set the chicken aside, add onion and bell pepper. Cook for 5 minutes before adding cooked rice, followed by more soy sauce, honey, and lemon juice. Mix well, then add the chicken back in, garnish with green onion, then distribute into 4 equal servings and enjoy. The tastiest, high-protein, spicy grilled chicken wraps, only 350 calories and so easy to make. Slice your chicken into strips, then add garlic, oregano, paprika, onion powder, chili flakes, salt and pepper, and squeeze your lemons. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Then cook on medium heat for 8 minutes till golden brown. Next, for the spicy sauce, you need fat-free yogurt, sriracha, garlic, fresh parsley, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Mix till completely smooth. Then get a low-calorie tortilla wrap, add shredded lettuce, the grilled chicken, red onion, tomato, and a generous amount of that spicy sauce, and that's it. You're ready to enjoy.
This is your sign to skip the McDonald's drive-thru every morning and instead make these easy, high-protein McMuffins for the week ahead. Start by cracking 6 eggs into a bowl, season with salt, pepper, and give it a good mix. Pour them into a greased baking dish, add some chives, and bake them in the oven for 5 minutes. Once they're cooked, cut them into 6 even slices. Then grab your extra lean beef mince, add all of the seasonings which will be listed on the screen, mix it all together and form 12 even balls. Then to a pan on high heat, cook up 6 slices of shortcut bacon, or you can use turkey bacon. Using your hands, flatten the meat as thin as you can and cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. That's all it needs without getting dry. Grab your toasted English breakfast muffin and start assembling. I also cut a slice of cheddar cheese to place each half on the patty with some spicy mayo on the top bun, and that's it. Repeat the process for the other 5 muffins and enjoy.
If you're trying to bulk up and you need a tasty, high-protein meal prep, this carbonara recipe is going to change your life. It's got crispy bacon bits, a thick, creamy, and indulgent sauce, and each serving is going to do you good for over 800 clean calories and 44 grams of protein. So if you're trying to make some gains, save the recipe. First things first, add 400 grams of spaghetti into boil, twisting it so it fans out like that. Now get over to your pan, add in 300 grams of diced back bacon, and we want to get these bits really crispy, and that's going to take a while, so we'll make our sauce in the meantime. For the sauce, you're going to need 4 large eggs, crack them into your blender cup, then pour in 150 ml of fresh double cream. After that, we're going to go in with 75 grams of grated parmesan, a fresh cracker black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Now go ahead and screw that lid on tightly and blend it up till nice and smooth. I definitely wouldn't go too long on this, otherwise you might end up with some cheesy whipped cream. Anyway, by now your bacon should be done. Check out that. Oh, beautiful. Then add the pasta in and turn the heat right down to almost nothing and just mix it in the bacon juices. After about a minute, go ahead and gradually add in your sauce, but make sure the pan isn't hot. We don't want to scramble the eggs, we want to keep it nice and creamy. Give it a stir for a few minutes to thicken up, and bosh, that's how you make a high-protein carbonara that's going to rocket charge your muscle recovery. Drop a follow for more.
The most delicious, high-protein, sticky Korean fried chicken. Only 450 calories and incredibly easy to make. Slice your chicken into cubes, then add garlic, black pepper, paprika, salt, and corn flour. Mix till everything is well coated, then cook on medium heat for 8 minutes till golden and crispy. Set the chicken aside and add soy sauce, honey, and gochujang paste. Keep stirring till it thickens, then add the crispy chicken and mix well. To your sliced cucumber, add light soy sauce, rice vinegar, chili flakes, garlic, and sesame seeds. Mix well, then serve with hot rice and enjoy.
Here's a high-protein chicken wrap. Start cutting your chicken and add paprika, garlic, lemon, and black pepper. Then mix it in properly. Now cook your chicken and prepare your sauce with Greek yogurt, sweet peppers, parsley, and some lemon juice. Blend that bitch. Add lettuce, tomato, onions, and there's your wrap.